Breaking news just coming in. Rahul Gandhi has hit out at the BJP and RSS says, and I quote, "Today, whether we like it or not, the divisive ideology, the hateful ideology of the RSS and BJP have overshadowed the loving, affectionate and nationalistic ideology of the Congress party. We have to accept this. We can no longer accept it." Rahul says difference between Hindutva and Hinduism both aren't the same is what Rahul Gandhi has said. Listen in.
Today, whether we like it or not, the divisive ideology, the hateful ideology of the RSS and the BJP has overshadowed the loving, affectionate and nationalistic ideology of the Congress party. And we have to accept this. We can no longer not accept this. Our ideology is alive. It is vibrant, but it has been overshadowed. It has been overshadowed partly because of a complete capture of the media, of a complete capture of the Indian nation. But it has also been overshadowed because we have not propagated our ideology among our own people aggressively.
Supriya Bharadwaj is getting us more details on that story. Supriya, in a way, Rahul Gandhi, they're showing the mirror essentially to Congress workers, says that do not be under the misconception that the Congress ideology is the ideology that is accepted by the entire country. We have been long overshadowed by the BJP's ideology.
Well, Sneha, as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, he is addressing a meeting of the delegates which have come to Wardha to attend a training session. And as we know, on 14th of November, Congress is all set to roll out the Jan Jagran Abhiyan. This is the event which is taking place. The training of the delegates is taking place, where Rahul Gandhi is saying that how there is a difference between the ideologies of BJP, RSS and the Congress party, and how the RSS BJP ideology has overshadowed Congress's ideology, because he's saying there is a reason being there is a complete capture of the nation. This is what Rahul Gandhi is saying. At the same time, he's also saying that congressmen also are not going all out and aggressively talking about their own ideology. First is this part, and the second is he has very sharply raised question that there is a difference between Hinduism, as we know, and Hindutva. So this is what Rahul Gandhi is saying, and he's talking to the people who have come to for the training session. Sneha, there's a long discussion which is going on ideology, and particularly Rahul Gandhi telling people who are present there in that training camp that people have to go all out, the congressmen have to go all out and talk about the ideologies. Even they have to study about the icons of the Congress party and their ideologies. And also, what interestingly he has mentioned is that the Congress ideology is technically what the ideology of this country is, and Congress has been following it for a very long time.
Yes, Supriya, be with us. In fact, I'll just come back to you for more on that story, Supriya. She did mention that Rahul Gandhi made an important distinction between Hinduism and Hindutva. He's also tried to say that the BJP's idea of Hindutva is not Hinduism. Listen in.
Is Hinduism about beating a Sikh or a Muslim? Hindutva, of course, is. But is Hinduism about killing a clerk? In which book is this written? I have not seen it. I have read the Upanishads. I have not seen it. Where is it written that you should kill an innocent man? I am unable to find this in Hindu scripture, in Islamic scripture, in Sikh scripture. I can see it in Hindutva. So these are the type of things we have to discuss, and these are the type of things that we have to spread among ourselves.